this video, I'll show you how to create a new company in Zoho Books quickly and efficiently. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once logged in, look at the top right corner where your current organization's name appears next to your avatar. Click on it, then select Manage from the drop-down menu. This opens the Manage Organization screen. Here, click on plus New Organization. You will see two options: Add New Organization or Clone Existing Organization. Choose Add New Organization if you want to start from scratch, which allows you to set up everything fresh, including templates, preferences, and the chart of accounts. Choose Clone Existing Organization if you want to copy settings from an existing company to save time. If adding a new organization, enter essential details like your organization name and location, then click Let's Get Started. You will be guided through a quick setup flow to enter business details, tax information, and preferred currency. This ensures your new company is properly configured for smooth operations. Once completed, your new company is ready to use. You can adjust settings later as your business grows. And that's it. With these steps, creating a new company in Zoho Books is simple, helping you manage your accounts efficiently from day one.